Whether you're here with us live or you're watching this on replay, if you are looking for something real, something that is legit, something that gets results, you are absolutely in the right place at the right time. And if you are here with us live, I'm going to ask that you type in the chat, ask questions, engage with me and have a lot of fun. All right. Because this is going to have fun. We're going to have fun during our short time here together today. So you are about to discover how ordinary people from all over the world are using the easiest system ever to pocket commissions of up to $100, $500, or even $1,000 a day, and how you can copy what we're doing in about 12 minutes, regardless of past experiences or past failures. So, this is an actual screenshot of one of my accounts from using this system. And I want you to just imagine for a second having days like this for yourself, making $700 in a day or $900 in a day, or waking up and going to check your computer and seeing $1,600 in a day or $1,300, or waking up to see close to $2,000 in a single day. All of these are actual screenshots from one of my accounts. And I want you to imagine having days like this. As I said earlier, this is not a guarantee of income, but this is absolutely a real screenshot because I want to show you what's possible. And I want you to imagine what you would do if you had days like this. But here's the thing. Listen up. The reason you're here is to see how ordinary people from all over the world are using the easiest system ever, right? And that's what I want to show you. Not the results that I get, but the results that everyday people just like you get with the system. People like Mel, who says, in case you're wondering if this system works or not, check this out. While my sales came from various offers, I've received numerous sales using the system. I was skeptical at first, but not anymore. This is the easiest system, and you can see Mel's commissions there of over $900. Jovi says, I don't even touch my computer for a few days because of busy schedule. I wake up this morning, I get another 2 sales. Now, you can probably tell from this testimonial that Jovi's first language is not English, but even still with this system, she made 2 sales while she was asleep. Check out Tracy here. Wow, what an incredible day. My second day of sales is a whopping $470.71. All right, Devon Brown, thank you so much for this system. You can check it right here. $470 in a single day. Or how about Timothy? Hey, everyone, totally excited to be here. The system helped me get a sale my first day, 10 sales my first week. That's crazy, right? This happens so fast for people because of how awesome this system is. Or Jonathan says, slowly scaling up to 1K a day. I can't be thankful enough to Devon for his amazing email follow-up series. You'll see what this means and why this is so quote unquote amazing in just a little bit. You'll see this will make a lot of sense to you. Let's keep going. Mike says, hey, been a smoking week with sales. Over $1,300 for the week. Corey says, this is awesome. Look at this. You guys can see here, back to back sales, 11 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. Imagine getting sales notifications this rapidly. That's the power of the system. How about Andre, right? Andre, check this out. One day in August, Andre made $2,750.76 with the system in a single day. Over $4,500. You can see right here in a single week. Again, not a guarantee of income, but I'm just showing you real results. And just in case you're wondering, all of these results, where all of these people posted was our private Facebook group, which, you very well may be meeting these people. If you end up becoming part of this system and accessing the same system that these people use, you'll actually get to hang out with them and meet them and see what they do. So Brad says, love seeing this on my mailbox when I wake up in my screen. So Brad woke up. Boom, 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 sale. Linda says, can't believe it right now. I just had my first sale. I joined 3 days ago. Guys, 3 days. 3 days ago, Linda joined and already has her first sale. This system works. We can keep going. This is Dave.